Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Hypervisorlaunchtype to auto FACEIT Anti-Cheat Fix. In this video, seeing before, like and comment this video, subscribe to support our YouTube channel. If you want more gaming and technical issues videos like this, please subscribe to support our YouTube channel. In these steps, one by one, follow to this problem, fix it. Let's start the steps. First step for the restart. So go to the start menu, click on the power button, select the restart button, click here to restart your system. Sometimes this method work it, just try it. Then go to the next step, run as admin, face it. So go to the desktop, find the applications, then select and right click. Then click on the properties, then go to the capability tab, then check for select the capability mode. Below check for select the run this program as administrator. Hit the apply and OK button, click here to close it. Then go to the next step, PowerShell. So go to the Windows search bar, then type that PowerShell. Just click on this, then that command description insert, then copy to paste. So go to the paste, hit the enter. After that, exit. Then next step for the Windows Future. So for that, go to the Windows search bar, then type that Windows Future. Here show that turn Windows Future on or off. Just click to open it. Then scroll down. Then go to the select the Windows Hypervisor platform select. Once you select, then hit the OK button, click here to close it. After that, restart your system. Then your problem fix it now. If you have any doubt, subscribe to comment our YouTube channel. I give the answer. And like and comment this video. This method working or not working, comment section, go to comment. If you want more technical issues videos like this, please subscribe to support our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.